this is Aditya Nacha from InspireToRise.com, and today we have the Xiaomi's Mi Band here with us for a full unboxing, hands-on, as well as a full review of this device. The Mi Band is a fitness tracker in its whole sense, and it understands every move performed by the user. And now let's just unbox this device. So we removed the packaging earlier, and the Xiaomi Mi Band comes in a really neat cardboard packaging, and you can see the Mi logo, the subtle Mi logo made on the top. And the Band helps you to monitor your daily fitness level, monitor your activity levels. You can track your walking distance and calculate calories that you have burned. You can achieve the daily exercise targets that you have set, and you can work towards a healthier lifestyle. And as you can see, the packaging used is really good. And here is the tracker module of the band, which you can see over here. The tracker module of the band is something that fits into the silicone strap that is given with the band, and inside the box you have the module, you have the band, and apart from that you have the documentation. Now let's just remove this. So we will just remove the module of the band. And so the module of the band is made in a 12-step process, and the 1 mm thick aluminum alloy core surface is manufactured using compression molding, polishing, and etc. And the band itself is made of silicone material, which is really good. And here we have the documentation. As you can see, the Mi logo and the documentation. And you just, for new users who are new to the band, who don't know how to use the band, they have to just open it, read it up, and they will know how to set it up. They have to just place the aluminum component inside the hypoallergenic silicone band. So as you can see, all of the instructions are given on the documentation really clearly. And the band also comes with you can charge the band, and it comes with a battery life of 30 days. And now let's just remove this component, and we will put it in the band that we have over here. So the band helps you to sync with the Mi Band app, which can be installed in your smartphone, whether it's a Xiaomi smartphone or whether any other smartphone, and it would pair with your the mobile would pair with your band via Bluetooth, and in real time via Bluetooth Low Energy, it would track your fitness as well as sleep records, and you can save up to a year's worth of data, and you can get healthy lifestyle suggestions using the band, and you can share as well as compare the results with other people around the globe, your friends. And you can also use the band, the Mi Band, to swipe or unlock your devices, so you wouldn't need any passcodes, and it can be connected with your Mi account to store all of the data into the Mi cloud. And you can even get incoming call alerts, so that the band would vibrate in the incoming call alerts. So we have set it up. As you can see, the band looks really great in the hand, and it has 3 LED lights on the top, and these 3 indicator lights are each 1 mm in diameter and are created using micro laser perforation technology. And on the back, as you can see, we have many holes, so we can easily use on the band on even wider hands, and as well as people who have thin hands, they can use the band really easily. So I would just place the band on my hand right now. So the Mi Band is made up of TPSIV, which is one of the world's best thermoplastic elastomers. So that means that it has antimicrobial properties, it is anti-allergic, so it won't irritate even the people with most sensitive skin. It is soft, really soft to touch, and it fits on the hand really good. So and the Mi Band, the good thing about the Mi Band is that it comes with a 30-day battery life, which would last even more. In regular day-to-day usage, it can last up to 40 to 50 days, and a one full charge of the band lasts up to 30 days, which is almost 4 times regular than normal fitness bands. The Mi Band is full water resistant, IP67 water resistant, and you can easily go into the shower while you are wearing the Mi Band, or you can wear the Mi Band to your swimming pool. And the Mi Band has been tested for tough conditions like high temperature testing. It was subjected to temperatures of 70 degrees Celsius for 128 hours continuously, and it was also subjected to minus 20 degrees Celsius for 128 hours continuously. So it really works well. And here we have the MI Band app here with us so that you can see how the MI Band app works on a normal smartphone. So it's not a Xiaomi smartphone, it's any other normal smartphone, Android smartphone that you might have. You just have to install the MI Fit app and sync it with your MI Band via Bluetooth, and then you can see all of the data that you have. You can set up advanced options like jumping, skipping rope, and push-ups. And apart from that, you can also track your sleeping data as well as other activities, and you can set your whole profile over here so that the fitness activities and measures can be done. And you can also set the number of target steps that you want to achieve daily, and you can see the battery level of the device and the date on which it was charged. You can change the color, band slide color. So as you can see over here, you can change the band slide color, and you can change other things related to the band from the MI Fit app itself. And the MI Fit app itself helps to update the band over time. So the Xiaomi MI Band is a unique wearable fitness tracker, and the great thing about this band is for the price that it retails, it's a really value for money proposition. For it retails for a price of $13 US, and in India it retails for a price of 9,999 rupees only. And the Apple iOS app has also arrived in the App Store for this band. You can also get stylish wraparound options like leather band for this band, and you can also track your fitness goals, etc., everything. And you can unlock your MI phone without a password using this band. So this was all for the Xiaomi MI Band. This is Aditya Najha from InspiredToRise.com signing off, folks. Don't forget to like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.